There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now.
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? What's up, YouTube fam? What's up, friends? What's up, fam? What's up, everybody? Hope y'all all having like a really great day. Girl, we about to slay, okay? Y'all already know what I have to say. Myfirstwigs, another one, and another one. Best of the best of the best. Let me tell y'all, I just had the pleasure of doing an RP show wig, you know, Myfirstwigs, sister side, okay? And what I be telling y'all, like, everything is gonna be smooth sailing. Girl, I was looking so cute in that damn wig, girl, okay? When I tell you I was just feeling myself, I had to put on a whole entire outfit, girl. I was looking cute, okay? Plus size diva and all, love handles and all, was looking cute. Now, besides all of that, you know, love handles and all, I'm gonna just say this, your girl's been walking every day. I've been back into my walking routine because it ain't 1,000 degrees out here no more, okay? So I have accomplished this for the past weeks now, and I'm very proud of myself, though it doesn't like show automatically, but I'm there, you know what I'm saying? I just want to be in shape. I ain't got to be no Instagram model, no Hourglass model, no Vogue model, but I just want to be in shape in case anything pop off, a girl could run, you know what I'm saying? I could just take off. Pew! That's me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be the last man standing. Oh no, I do want to be the last man standing, but I don't want to be the last man left behind, okay? And then I got to catch up to everybody because they took off and I'm out of shape and out of breath. No, girl, I just want to be in shape, so I've been going on these walks every day like I used to, and I'm very proud of myself, okay? Yes, girl, yes. But like I was saying, Myfirstwigs, okay? Now, let me just tell y'all this. Y'all know it's November. It's Black Friday. Black Friday's about to come up. You know what I'm saying? So listen, let me tell you something about Myfirstwig, girl. Okay, so during a Black Friday sale, and I will make sure to put all of the sale date, the description, anything you need will be in the description box, and it might even just flash up on the screen. But girl, let me just tell y'all this. For their Black Friday sale, okay, during the Black Friday sale period, you are going to get free upgrades, girl, free upgrades, okay? You know, upgrade you, you know, they going to upgrade you for free. So if you order a 13x4, baby, you getting a 13x6, okay? Let me tell y'all, let me just tell y'all that. Let's see, but I want to make sure that I tell you everything, okay? The entire product line, everything, the entire product line will be upgraded for free and in quantity without price. So y'all not going to pay for anything extra, you know? So if you ask for 8 inches, girl, if you order 8 inches, listen, the upgrade ain't that deep, okay? So if you think you're gonna order an 8-inch wig and they're gonna send you a 20-inch, girl, no, okay? Let's be mindful here, okay? Let's use our noodle, okay? You will get a 13x6 if you order a 13x4. So, girl, you know what I'm saying? You're going to save some money. Like, so if you wanted a 13x6, girl, early you a 13x4, and they're going to upgrade you, okay, for free. So it's quantity, not without price. Quantity without price, baby. Although their products are always quantity and quality, okay? I'm just saying, they always give you the best of the best of the best. Like, those are the two Q's, quantity and quality. Like, they give all of it. Like, I'm saying, they be upgrading you anyway. You don't even know, but they just upgrade you. So, for this video right here, girl, this is one of their best wig selling styles, okay? This is, look, let me not be lying. This is I think, girl, listen, I can't even remember. I'm just like so stuck in my ways. Listen, just let's talk about this. This style right here is one of their very popular styles. Now, I know, you all know, I love Yaki and Kinky straight hair. Beautiful texture, very natural looking, very realistic looking on our melanin skin. I love it. But some companies really can't do a really great Yaki or Kinky. It all depends. Some of them, all of them differ, girl. Every last one differs. I'm gonna tell y'all this right here. This hair right here is amazing. Oh my God, do y'all see this? So bouncy. I didn't have to wash it. I didn't have to bleach it. It came already prepared for me, girl. This is what I'm talking about. I love a good wig. You ain't got to do anything. Hairline clean and thinned out, baby. Do it like it's your B-day on Black Friday, okay? That's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna just stop rambling because you already know, but Myfirstwig is gonna be the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. And I'm gonna just say that, and that's it. I'm not gonna keep repeating myself in this video. The other ones, I'm gonna say it again. But I'm gonna just take this wig off this mannequin head and I'm gonna show you how your wig comes while I do that, okay, girl? Let me just gonna jump right into this video. Like I said, I hope you having all a great day. You know, it's your girl A. We about to slay. We didn't come to play, okay? Bars for days.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Look, girl, okay, listen. Y'all cannot tell me this wig is not cute. This definitely is a cutie patootie. Okay, this kinky straight hair, girl, got me in my feelings. Now, this is, girl, listen. Every time I get a kinky straight wig from Myfirstwig, their hair be so soft, so gentle feeling, buttery. It's not too textured, but it's just like just right. You know what I'm saying? One time I did get one that was more textured than the other, but this one is like the perfect kinky straight hair. Girl, I ain't do nothing to the wig. When I got it, I just took out the box and I made a side, well, it was already a side part. This wig comes as a side part. It's a very deep side part, as you guys can see. But when I received it, it was a straight side part. Now, they didn't bring the part all the way back though either. I made it into a curved side part, okay? And I brought it back, okay? So this is 13 by 4.5 inches of parting, okay? And girl, listen, what I just told y'all, you get upgraded during the Black Friday sale. So why not get upgraded? You know, Beyonce likes to upgrade you. So Myfirstwig about to upgrade you too, girl, okay? This wig is fire. Look at this. Look at this hairline. Now, this is not their Swiss tinted. This is their air lace, which is supposed to be like lighter weight, girl, listen, they all melt from Myfirstwig. I don't care if it's air lace, Swiss tinted lace, spicy lace, grandma lace, okay, laced lace. It's gonna melt when it comes from Myfirstwig. This is like the best beginner website ever, okay? For those of you who are new to wigs, girl, don't be scared. You ain't got to be scared if you go to Myfirstwig. You can even go to RPG show if it's your first wig, because they will have you slave to the gods too. But you know what I'm saying? Like for beginners, like you want something easy, because you do not want anything that's too hard where you got to bleach it, you got to pluck it, you got to do all of that stuff, because it will mess you up mentally. Like, girl, it will have you messed up. I know the first time I had tweezed the wig, girl, listen, when I tried to pre-pluck the hairline, girl, I don't even want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about the second one neither, okay? Maybe the third, I'm not really sure, but I think I botched like 5 altogether. It's like a learning experience, and like if you don't really know, you don't really know. And who wants to mess up a good wig, girl? Okay, so this Kinky straight say 16 inches, okay, but girl, this is what 18 and some websites 20 inches be looking like. 16 on other websites is right here. Trust me, I know this. Okay, I could tag some videos to this of my own that are 16 inches from other websites, and you'll be like, oh, April never lied. April never lied. So this is supposed to be 16, but it's giving more or less 18, 20. Okay, depending on how big your head is. But look at the hair. Like, the hair is bomb as hell. I love the way it's just moving freely. It's so soft. It's so natural looking. Now, you can do so many nice styles with this unit, especially because the hair is like a nice, flowy, thicker type hair. So what I did was I did part on both sides just to give it a little bit more volume. But girl, listen, look, you could pull it back. You could have it pulled back. You know what I'm saying? You could pull it back, girl. You could wear it like this if you don't want like hair all in your face. Y'all know me. I don't be liking a lot of hair in my face because it'd be hot. Girl, I can't see, but mainly it'd be hot. So I like to keep it away from me. Now, this is definitely not a good tool good hair clip for this, but you could like definitely pull this away from your face without worrying about anybody looking at you like, cause she got a wig on. Look, I want you to guess real hard if I got a wig on. Like, girl, I like your hair. Not, oh, girl, I love your wig. Cause I don't like when people say that. Yeah, no. You're gonna have to say, girl, you got some nice hair. Your hair look nice. That right there is let me know, like, you don't know what it is, right? You don't know if it's a weave. You don't know if it's growing out of my scalp, but that's what I like to hear. I don't like it too long. I don't like it like all over the place. It's the right length for me. Yes, baby. Do it like it's your B-day. Okay. But yes, check out Myfirstwig. You can check out their sale zone too if you need to. You know, sale zone where you can save some coins, some money, some moolah, you know, period. Check out their sale zone. But just remember, they're going to have that Black Friday sale, so you're going to get upgraded. Let me upgrade you. They're going to upgrade you. Okay, girl? They're going to upgrade you. So on that note, you know, check the description boxes below. This yellow look cute with it too. I'm just saying. I'm looking all professional like I just came from a desk job. Oh, I do have a desk job. What am I talking about? Anyway, I love you all. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, girl. Show me some love. Share it. You know, tell all your friends how much you love me. Okay. I'll see y'all in the next one.